Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vishal, and in today's video I'll show you all the paintings that I did following the tutorials from Rosalie's Hazlitt book Watercolor in Nature. And I have more than 30, I have around 40 paintings that I did. The 20 paintings are from her book that contain 20 beginner friendly watercolor project, and I believe I did 20 on my own, like this one which I showed you yesterday. And I have some bigger variations of the paintings that I created, and I'll show you the sketchbook in which I painted all the 20 paintings, as well as few more variations that you will see in few seconds. And yeah, enjoy this sketchbook flip through as well as music. So this is my sketchbook, and I use 300 GSM watercolor paper. So watercolor in nature. So we have got daisy, imperial moth, fly agaric mushroom, fiddlehead palm, and an ink illustration which I hoped that I might paint someday and did not paint it. Then we have got frog, snail, moose antler, and a grasshopper. Great horned owl, milkweed and caterpillar, leaf sprig, pipe point swallowtail butterfly, sassafras leaf. Here we have got red-tipped salamander, Canada warbler, cottontail rabbit. It took me a lot of time and a lot of color and a lot of layering to make this one. Then we have got blueberries, so pine cone, another challenging one. So this one was a bit difficult and challenging, not a bit, a lot difficult. Here we have got fox, another illustration of the snail, the imperial moth, a variation of the daisies, and yeah, that's all. So yeah, these are the 20 paintings from the book that I did following the tutorial. Then let me show the variations on another attempt. So we have got the fiddlehead form, the fly agaric mushroom. Here we have got the praying mantis, a variation of the snail. I use blue colors only, so land snail, moose antler, green and blue Canada warbler, a yellow and brown version of great horned owl, a little bit more detailed daisy, another variation of the wood duck with red, yellow and browns. So this turned out pretty good. Then we have got another variation of the frog. So instead of the green frog we have got a blue one. This turned out pretty good. And here we have got a blue, instead of red-tipped salamander we have got the blue-tipped salamander. So these are the variations that I attempted using watercolor paper and a small size, and I was not satisfied with it, so I made some bigger ones. So let me show you those. So first one we have got the red fox. Here's the great horned owl, Canada warbler, which did not turn out the way I hoped and planned. A big variation of the green frog. Yeah, I believe it turned out pretty good. Here we have got the land snail. I attempted to use oil pastel for the whites of the paper, but it failed. Then we have got a big wood duck. Lastly, the painting from yesterday, a composition of red-lipped salamander, the green frog, pipe-point swallowtail butterfly, fly agaric mushroom, fiddlehead fern, imperial moth, and land snail. So yeah, these are all the paintings that I did from the book Watercolor in Nature by Rosalie Hazlett, and I have also completed her classes from Skillshare, and I'll share those pretty soon. So yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what should I cover next. And you can check out the whole compilation of all the videos in which I covered the 20 projects. I'll link those up here and down in the description, as well as you can check out the other books that I have finished. The books by Terry Longhurst I Can Draw series, from oil pastel masterpieces, as well as Yokai Bestiary. So I'll link those down in the description. Thank you for spending your precious time with me, and if you have any feedback, ideas or suggestions, let me know those in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Peace.